What if the wrong roof rack is secretly limiting your Jeep adventures? Today, we're revealing the top 7 heavy-duty roof racks for off-road Jeep Wranglers that can transform how you haul gear, tackle trails, and travel farther. Welcome back to the channel. Stick around, and if something fits your needs, check the links in the description. Most Jeep owners run out of roof space long before they run out of adventure. That's exactly where the Clear JL aluminum full-length roof rack kit changes the game. Let's start with the real challenge. Camping gear, recovery tools, luggage, and outdoor equipment quickly overwhelm the Wrangler's interior. Many roof systems add weight or create annoying wind noise. This setup tackles both concerns surprisingly well. The full-length aluminum platform feels sturdy without making the vehicle feel overloaded. On long road trips, the extra cargo capacity brings a sense of freedom that Wrangler owners appreciate. The hardtop compatible design also makes installation more practical than some bulky alternatives. Compared with basic crossbar-only systems, this roof platform offers far more usable space for larger loads. That added versatility is why many enthusiasts researching the best roof racks for Wrangler Jeep 2020 keep this style on their shortlist. There are a few trade-offs. Installation takes patience, and the larger footprint may not suit casual users. But for overlanders, campers, and frequent travelers, it transforms unused roof space into a genuinely useful asset. Most Jeep owners discover a hard truth the moment packing begins: gear multiplies faster than cargo space. That's where the Hook Road Gladiator roof rack changes the game. Built for Jeep Wrangler JL and Gladiator JT hardtop models, this rack creates a practical storage zone without turning your vehicle into an awkward, overloaded project. The aluminum crossbars keep weight manageable, while the sturdy cargo basket is ready for recovery gear, camping essentials, and overlanding equipment. Now, the real concern buyers face is stability. Nobody wants rattling gear or a rack that feels questionable on rough trails. Hook Road addresses that with a rugged design that feels planted during long adventures. Compared with lighter-duty roof rack systems, this setup offers more cargo-carrying versatility, though installation may require extra patience. It's not the quickest rack to assemble, but the payoff comes later when every trip feels less cramped. For outdoor explorers searching through the best roof racks for Wrangler Jeep 2020 options, this rack makes sense. More room. Less stress. More freedom to chase the next horizon. Most Wrangler owners discover a frustrating truth only after a trip: gear takes up space far faster than expected. That's where the 330 pounds black roof rack for Jeep Wrangler JK, JL, and Gladiator JT changes the experience. Let's start with the real problem. Many factory-style cargo solutions struggle with heavy camping equipment, recovery tools, or oversized luggage. This rack tackles that challenge with a strong 330-pound capacity and a fitment range covering 2007 to 2026 models, making it a practical upgrade for adventure-focused drivers. What stands out is the balance between strength and usability. The crossbars feel sturdy without making installation overly complicated. Whether you're carrying kayaks, rooftop cargo boxes, or travel gear, the extra storage creates welcome breathing room inside the cabin. Compared with lightweight universal crossbars, this setup offers greater stability under load. The trade-off? Added weight and slightly more wind noise at highway speeds. For drivers researching the best roof racks for Wrangler Jeep 2020 models, especially outdoor enthusiasts and frequent travelers, this rack delivers dependable cargo support that keeps every journey feeling less restricted and more prepared for whatever comes next. Most Wrangler owners discover the hard way that extra cargo space disappears long before the adventure even begins. That's where the Quafu roof rack with dual ladders changes the game. First, let's talk capacity. Built from heavy-duty steel and rated for up to 330 pounds, this cargo basket creates a practical rooftop storage zone for camping gear, recovery equipment, and oversized luggage. The included ladders make rooftop access far less frustrating, especially when loading gear after a long day outdoors. Now for the real-world concern. Many roof racks feel sturdy in photos but develop rattles, flex, or mounting issues under load. Quafu addresses that with a rugged frame designed for Jeep Wrangler JK owners who actually use their vehicles beyond city streets. Compared with lighter aluminum alternatives, this rack offers greater strength, though it does add extra weight. If minimizing weight is your priority, another option may fit better. For drivers researching the best roof racks for Wrangler Jeep 2020, especially those wanting expedition-style utility and dependable storage, this setup delivers lasting value. Some accessories promise space. This one unlocks possibilities. Most Jeep owners discover one frustrating truth the hard way: cargo space disappears long before the adventure does. That's where the Hook Road Roof Rack Cargo Basket changes the equation. Built from heavy-duty steel, this rack gives the Jeep Wrangler JK Unlimited a rugged storage upgrade that feels ready for rough trails, long road trips, and overlanding weekends. The basket design creates valuable room for camping gear, recovery equipment, and oversized luggage without crowding passengers inside. Now, the real concern buyers often have is stability. Nobody wants extra gear shifting around at highway speeds. Thankfully, the solid construction and secure mounting system help reduce that worry, making travel feel far less stressful. Compared with lighter aluminum roof racks, this option offers greater toughness but adds more weight to the vehicle. That trade-off matters if fuel efficiency is a top priority. For shoppers researching the best roof racks for Wrangler Jeep 2020, this rack remains a strong reference point for durability and cargo capacity. If your adventures regularly outgrow your cargo area, this rack turns limitations into possibilities. Most Wrangler owners discover a frustrating truth only after packing for a trip: gear multiplies faster than storage space. That's where the Rotor JL Roof Rack Rear Cargo Basket changes the game. Let's start with the problem. Factory cargo space disappears quickly once camping equipment, recovery tools, or family luggage enter the picture. Many roof systems solve this by adding bulk, noise, or unnecessary weight. Rotor takes a different route. Its full-length aluminum platform creates a practical storage zone without making the Jeep feel overloaded. The rear cargo basket adds welcome flexibility for overland adventures, weekend escapes, and long highway runs. What stands out most is balance. It feels sturdier than many entry-level roof racks while remaining lighter than several steel alternatives. Compared with basic crossbar-only setups, it offers far more usable carrying space. There are trade-offs. Installation requires patience, and the larger platform may slightly affect fuel economy. For Jeep owners seeking dependable rooftop storage and researching the best roof racks for Wrangler Jeep 2020 models, this rack delivers extra room, everyday utility, and a noticeably less stressful packing experience. Most Wrangler owners discover the same frustrating truth the moment they load up for an adventure: not every roof rack can handle real gear without rattling, flexing, or raising security concerns. That's where the Wonder Driver roof rack crossbars make a strong first impression. Built for Jeep Wrangler JK, JL, and Gladiator JT models from 2007 to 2026, these heavy-duty aluminum crossbars support up to 220 pounds, giving outdoor enthusiasts a practical solution for carrying kayaks, bikes, cargo boxes, and camping equipment. Let's talk about the real benefit. Many buyers searching for the best roof racks for Wrangler Jeep 2020 want durability without turning installation into a weekend project. Wonder Driver strikes that balance nicely. The anti-theft metal locking system adds welcome protection, especially when parking at trailheads or busy campsites. Compared with lighter universal crossbars, this setup feels more purpose-built and secure. The trade-off? It may cost a bit more than basic entry-level options, and some users may notice slight wind noise at higher speeds. Who should buy it? Wrangler owners who regularly travel, camp, bike, or haul rooftop gear. The combination of strength, security, and broad compatibility turns everyday trips into far less stressful adventures, making every mile feel better prepared for whatever lies ahead.